Welcome to our deep dive into computer architecture. Today, we are exploring one of the most significant shifts in how we build computers, chiplet architecture. This is the technology powering the next generation of high-performance processors. To understand the future, we must look at the past. Traditionally, central processing units were monolithic. This means every single component, the computing cores, the memory controllers, and graphics, was printed onto one single, continuous piece of silicon. It's like printing an entire textbook on one gigantic sheet of paper. But monolithic design has a major flaw: the yield trap. Manufacturing silicon is difficult. Dust or microscopic errors create defects. On a massive chip, a single tiny defect can ruin the entire processor. This leads to wasted silicon and astronomical costs as chips get larger and more complex. Enter the chiplet. Instead of trying to print everything on one giant flawless piece of silicon, engineers break the processor down into smaller, modular functional blocks. These distinct blocks are called chiplets. It is essentially the Lego approach to building a computer chip. The primary advantage is cost and yield. Smaller pieces of silicon are statistically much less likely to have a defect than a large piece. And if one small chiplet is broken, you just discard that tiny piece, not the whole expensive system. This makes manufacturing much more efficient. Another massive benefit is flexibility. Not every part of a processor needs to be built on the unbelievably expensive bleeding-edge 3nm process. With chiplets, you can build the fast CPU cores on the new process, but keep the input-output controllers on an older, cheaper, and proven 12nm process. Of course, cutting a chip into pieces creates a new problem. How do you connect them back together? The industry uses advanced packaging technologies, often called bridges or fabrics, to act as a digital glue. These allow data to travel between chiplets at blinding speeds, almost as if they were never separated. The technology is evolving beyond just placing chips side by side. We are now entering the era of 3D stacking. Engineers can stack memory cache vertically right on top of the processor cores. This shortens the distance data has to travel, significantly boosting speed and efficiency. This isn't just theory. It is happening right now in your computer. Leading manufacturers are using chiplets to offer high core count desktop processors and power-efficient laptops. Even massive workstation chips are now often just two large dies fused together to act as one. In summary, chiplet architecture solves the physical limits of manufacturing size. It lowers costs, improves yields, and allows for flexible, customizable designs. As we push for faster and faster computers, the future is definitely modular. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.